guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming and joining today. I have some new exciting items to share with you guys. I'm super excited to give you guys an update. If you're new here, my name is Angel and I share so many things: home, DIY, beauty, and mom life. So if any of that interests you, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to go ahead and like this video as well. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, I do have an online store. I had a lot of digital products in my store, but I have actually added some physical products now. Not many, it's 10 items or less, but I'm so excited because I'm trying them out to see what people like. All things in the store are all things Angel. So it's taken me a while to get it together and find the things that are so me, to bring to you guys. And so I'm so excited to finally share with you guys my new items that are in my store now. So one thing that I do love, I love phone cases. I mean, for years people would just stop me in my tracks and they're like, oh my god, where did you get your phone case from? I love your phone case. And I sold so many phone cases to other people and made other people so much money. I was like, okay, so I'm tired of making other people money. I want to find phone cases that fit me and offer them to those who like my phone case. So I have found 4 that I extremely am in love with, and they're so Angel. Okay, so the first one is this one. It's a pink marble phone case, and it has like abstract designs in it. It has hints of rose gold in it, and the sides are clear so you can see your phone on the sides and your buttons. And it's super thin because I've always been that type of person to love a thin case, but I needed to be cute as well. So this phone case is super slim, it's super chic. I just love it so much. Like, it's so me. I have had this case for a long time on my phone. It comes in a lot of different sizes, so even if you don't have a Samsung, they are offered in iPhone sizes as well. Let me show you the other 3 cases as well. So I have another pink case. This one's like pink and white and hints of blue in it. It's called Put On Love. You get it? Put On Love. And it has the Bible verse Colossians 3:14 on it. So, and it's matte. I love that this case is matte. It's not glossy. It's just so totally adorable. Like, I am so in love. Like I said, all these things are so Angel. Like, I'm in love with everything in the store. It took me months to get it together, but I finally got it. So, love this case. This one is more of a harder case than the previous one, but it's still super thin and super adorable. Now this case here is another pink marble case. It is again thin. The thing about this one, it also comes with a pop-out stand that's in the same color, and it's so flexible. So because you can still put your phone up and watch it, you can also pop it back in. So when you don't want to have it out, you can pop it in. You can put your finger through it. It's, you know, to hold your phone. So it's really cool, and I like it that it comes in the same color as the case. And so they come together. This is a package, but I really love this. It's so totally cute. So another case I have is this one. It's a black and gold case. Okay, so this case is definitely a unisex case. And I did that on purpose because I love black and gold just in general. It's one of my 2 favorite combinations. And my frat brother's colors also black and gold. So it's definitely a man or a woman color. And that's why I really adore this. And it's also in matte. So it's not shiny. And it's still super thin. So you don't have to worry about it bulging. And, you know, you still can put it in your purses or your pockets without it, you know, being super disruptive. But I really like this one because it can be for a man or a woman, and it's just super chic. So totally cute. Now also, because I do like phone stands, I offer 2 in my store. One is this pink rose gold phone stand. So the thing I love about it, look how thin it is. Can you see how thin it is? It is so totally thin. And this is also magnetic. So if you have a magnetic phone holder, you can attach it to it and it sticks magnetically as well. And then you can also, when you're ready to watch it, you can lift up on it and it turns. It's 360, so you can turn it and stand it up, you know, on the table and watch TV. I really love these. I looked and looked and looked for one that I love, and this is definitely one that you can, it's like I said, it's 360, you can turn it, and it's magnetic and it's so totally thin. I can still put this in my pocket and it doesn't like make it uncomfortable. So, and the other phone stand is this one. So this is a clear phone stand with a silver attachment. So the ring is silver, and again it's 360. You can turn it if you want to stand it up like this. You can put your ring finger through it. This is one reason why I love ring phone stands, because a lot of times, like, our phones now are so big, like this one. It's so big that sometimes my hands are small. So it just gives me more of a security in holding my phone, you know, putting the ring through it. So in case it slips, you know, it still was caught on my finger. That's why I love the ring phone stands. It's just more stable even when you're doing something, but I just love ring phone stands in general anyway. But again, this one is definitely another unisex one. You can use it on a male phone or female phone. This is actually my husband's phone, guys. So I had to use his as my example. And this one is on my phone, and we've had these on there for months and they have worked perfectly fine. And so again, I've been working on this stuff for a long time, so we've tried everything out and I love all of this stuff. So if you're interested, it's all in my store. Okay, so moving on, I did mention this is one in my recent decorate with me. I got some pillowcases. Guys, I so love these pillowcases. Like, they're made of microfiber and they're just so totally cute. Like the gold, I just feel like makes it so chic, so modern. I incorporated these in my living room, but you can put these anywhere. You can add them as an accent on your bed, on a sofa or a chair, just really anywhere, especially when you want to like glam up a room. I think these are just so totally adorable, and the back of them are just black, so if you don't want to do gold constantly, you can always flip it and just do the black. So I really love these pillowcases, and it does not come with a pillow insert. You have to put your own pillow insert in it, but it is the pillowcase only, and I have to say it's so high quality. I so really do like these. So another pillowcase I offer my store is this one. It says, "My dog thinks I'm awesome." So all of you who know me, have been following me for a while, know I love my dogs. I have 2 dogs. And I am a dog lover, and I just had to incorporate something for dogs and for dog people. And this is just my fave. It's made out of like a linen cloth. So it's definitely like kind of farmhouse style, but also just comfy. And it's super high quality. Again, it's the pillow cover and one side writing only, so if you don't want writing on it all the time, you can always just flip it and have just a regular pillow, you know. And then if you want people to know that what your dog thinks, you can always turn it on this side. So I love these as well. I have the sizes. All of that is in the store, in the description box on the store's website. Okay, so my last 2 items that I'm going to share with you guys, I am 100% a huge fan of. So these are diffuser necklaces. So you can use either essential oils or perfume in them, and you don't have to worry about spraying your skin. Like, I've been using this for a long time. I used it throughout my whole pregnancy. I would walk around with it, and I will say that I totally adore it. It was so funny because even my husband wanted one. He was like, "Can I get one?" So I had to actually find a unisex one, which I think this one is definitely a unisex one. And because he wanted one for his cologne, but I used mine for both perfume and essential oil. What these are, let me explain them. Okay, so how these work is they're magnetic, so you can open it inside is a felt pad. Each necklace comes with 10 felt pads in different colors. So you take the felt pad out and it comes right out. This is a gold felt pad. And you either spray the felt pad with your favorite perfume or cologne, or for me, I use essential oils. So I had a lot of headaches during my pregnancy, so I used to just put the essential oil on my temples of my head, but then when I found these diffuser necklaces, I fell in love because I would just put the oil. I will either do lavender or eucalyptus, and you just sprinkle it on the felt pad. Let me show you. You just sprinkle, you know, just a drop or two on the felt pad. Not too much because, you know, essential oils are super strong. So that's just 2 drops. You can do how many ever you feel, but just not too many. And so the felt pad has, the essential oil. And because I use strong oils too, that definitely helps, using a strong essential oil. And then you just put the felt pad back into the necklace and you close it up. And again, it's magnetic, so you just stick it on there. And it being magnetic, guys, it has not come apart. This necklace is like, if I dropped it, it still hasn't come apart. It's a super strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about, you know, like it falling apart while you're walking around. Because I've worn it for months and months and months, and it's been perfectly fine. And I love it. And I would have it around my neck when I was pregnant, and like when I would get headaches, I would just, you know, smell it and sniff it and just let the aroma go throughout my body, and it literally would help to keep my headaches down because I didn't like taking a lot of medicine while pregnant. So yeah, I love these diffuser necklaces. I also, when I wanted to wear perfume, I would spray my felt pad down with my perfume, and it will last all day. And I will hug people and they'd be like, oh, what do you have on? And I'm like, I don't have on anything, but I do have a diffuser necklace and I got my perfume in it. So that's what they were smelling. So I didn't have to worry about spraying my skin down or, you know, like my clothes. It was all in here. And you just replace your felt pads. So I actually used a different felt pad for my perfume, and then I had one that I used my essential oil in. I didn't use the same felt pad for all of that. Like, I like to keep them separate, and I really recommend that too, because you just want to keep your, because sometimes the smell can last a while, a long time on the felt pad. So, you know, you don't want to be mixing smells. So I always just kept them separate. So I love these things. I highly recommend them. I was so happy to offer them in my store. So if you guys are interested, I will definitely leave a link to them below. All these items can be found in my shop, and the website is shopangelgrace.com. I'll also leave it linked in the description box as well. But that's it. If you want to go there, just go to shopangelgrace.com. I hope you guys do go check out my new store and all the items that I have in there now. And I'm super excited to know what you think, or, you know, if you like something, if you have it, drop me a comment. If you did get something, tag me, take a picture, tag me on Instagram. Guys, I love to reshare it on my stories, and, you know, just let me know. Like, I am so curious. So make sure to share and let me know. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy the new items in my shop, and I'll see you guys in my next video.